Okay. I'm happy with the way the helmet turned out. I trimmed everything out. Now it's time to paint. I prepped the surface by scrubbing it with Scotch-Brite and some simple green. And then after I rinsed it off and cleaned it, I went back with a lint-free cloth and some isopropyl alcohol to get rid of all the oils that build up in the, on the surface. Now I've been shaking this can for about 3 minutes. It's the Rust-Oleum Professional White Enamel, SKU number 7592. This is probably the best stuff to use. Temperature outside now is about 60 degrees, which is good. Humidity is low, which is good. If it gets up to about 70 degrees and the humidity gets anywhere above, say, 60%, 70%, then this paint sucks. And I mean, it really sucks. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is paint the chin. And then I'm going to come back and start going on. This being the first coat, I just want to get a nice tack to it. Not really even going for even coverage at this point. I just want to get a nice base going. I'm holding the can about 6 inches away. Maybe 12 inches away. Okay, I've got a good base coat on now. I'm going to let this set for about 5 minutes, and then I'll come back and hit it again.